So these are a few of the ways which you can use to monetize your Instagram, your business account on Instagram. First things first, if we have Instagram Shop, you can basically have sell products directly through the app, and Instagram users purchase items without leaving the Instagram app. So it's pretty much easier. So your customers don't even leave the app to visit an external website. They can do it all through the app. You can now have sponsored posts and partnership. And basically you can ask businesses, or businesses might ask you, depending on how popular are you on Instagram, to do a collaboration with you. To basically, if you're an influencer, for example, this might work best for you, where you're paid to promote a product or a service on your account. We also have affiliate marketing, which we actually explained a lot on this channel. You should be able to check it out about Temu. And if you have a bit of a following on Instagram, you can basically do affiliate marketing depending on what your audience is interested in initially. So you can basically, my audience is interested in hacking, so I can sell hacking products from Temu and earn a commission based on how many people buy a product which I've been advertising. We also have Instagram ads, which I'm gonna skip for now because it's not quite it's not initially like it's not available in all countries. And we also have user generated content, which is not something, but these three are the main methods which you can use to monetize your Instagram account.